Are you looking for best-of-breed, people-centered audio solutions for synergistic, next-generation gatherings? Cut. That is exactly the kind of marketing fluff IT and AV pros tell us they can't stand. And that's why we're happy to bring you just the facts about what it takes to get great audio in hybrid meeting and learning spaces. Let's go. Fact. When you're in the design phase of implementing a traditional in-ceiling system, you could be dealing with project managers, design engineers, install techs. Then there are decisions about which components you need. Mics, speakers, DSPs, where they should be placed, getting everything connected. It all takes time and money. But with Nureva, all you need to know is whether your space is small, medium, or large. That's it. Fact. 161 is the number of pages in the manuals of a traditional audio system we tested. Fact. 2. Yes, 2 is the number of pages in the Nureva setup guide. Fact. In-ceiling audio systems require a lot of work in, well, the ceiling. That opens a can of worms. Infrastructure, sprinklers, HVAC, wiring, lighting, smoke detectors, Wi-Fi. Fact. A Nureva audio system is mounted on the wall, and that means dealing with a wall. No surprises. Let's talk time. Fact. With more components and more complicated setups, installing a traditional in-ceiling system can take your room offline for hours, or even days. That's not good. For anyone. Fact. With Nureva, installation takes as little as 30 minutes, less than the time that it takes to set up a new laptop. Oh, no, Steve, if you're watching, this one isn't waterproof either. Fact. With traditional systems, 0 is the number of times you can reconfigure a room without having to consider recalibrating the audio. Nureva audio continuously auto-calibrates, so the number of times and ways you can reconfigure a room without making an adjustment is infinity. Infinity? Yep, we counted. Management is an important consideration. Fact. If you have a big organization, going room to manage and update your audio systems is a time vacuum and could take thousands of steps. Fact. With Nureva, you manage all your systems from the cloud. It takes way less time, and there are way better ways to get your steps in. So, those are the facts about getting great audio in larger spaces. See ya. Get more audio conferencing facts at nureva.com/facts.